Hi and welcome to Excel data entering form, and let me show you guys how this works. I have 4 buttons in total here, and this very data that we're looking at here of Dean Jonathan, we don't seem to have that data on our spreadsheet, as you can see. So I'm now going to click on add record, and let's see, Dean Jonathan should be right there. There we go, that's Dean Jonathan right there. Okay, and we can reset there. Let's add new student information there. That's a new student details, and the name is, let's go for Kevin. Let's say Kevin Crossbow, and address, there we go, 34 Hall Lane, PO box or postcode, and here telephone number there. And now the course code, let's enter that. That's the course code. So it's a software engineer course, and that's a research program, and that is the course tutor, Professor Tony Montana there. So all we just need to do is to add the details of Kevin Crossbow there, and let's assume we make a mistake, add Kevin Crossbow, and it seems we have 3 Kevin Crossbow. So let's get rid of 1. There we go. I think there's 2 more there. That's it. Select Kevin Crossbow. There we go. Now that you guys seen how the data entering works, this is just an overview, and with that I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.